big challenge with smartphones is that the value depreciates very rapidly. By the time you think of upgrading to the next phone, it fetches little to nothing in the exchange market. Now, what if I tell you that we are actually providing you with a solution that can help you lock in the repurchase price of the phone in the near future so that you have a lot of money left to upgrade to that next smartphone that you desire? Now that's exactly what I'm here to unveil today, the Mi Smart Upgrade program. The Mi Smart Upgrade is an add-on that you can buy when you buy your next Mi or Redmi phone that helps you with an assured buyback in a period anywhere between 4 to 15 months. What the Mi Smart Upgrade program does is it lets you lock in the repurchase price of your phone to anywhere between 70% to 40% over the course of this 4 to 15 months. In fact, you can actually get a buyback value assured of up to 40% of the suggested retail price of the phone even after the warranty period of the phone ends, which is after the 12th month, which means anytime between the 12th to 15th month, you can get as much as 40% of the value of the phone that you paid when you bought it. Isn't that fantastic? There are three key benefits of the Mi Smart Upgrade program. Number one, an easy upgrade path to that next phone that you so desire. Number two, a super easy enrollment process with minimal documentation. Number three, the freedom to encash your device anytime after the 3rd month up until the 15th month. So essentially, you get to exchange your phone anytime after the 3rd month up until the 15th month, and in return, you can get an assured buyback value of up to 70% to 40% of the value of your phone. While it's such a fantastic offer, of course, there are some terms and conditions, and those are now being flashed on the screen. So, the moment that all of you have been waiting for, the Mi Smart Upgrade packages start from just 399 rupees on select Mi and Redmi phones.